What's going on, everybody? Aaron here, back at it again with another video for you guys. Today we are working on a 2025 brand new Ford Bronco. This vehicle got the works. We did so much to this Bronco. I cannot wait to show you around. A few quick snippets of what we did. We did matte black full roof conversion. We also did paint protection film, matte black on the hood, clear paint protection film on the two doors, full doors, door sills. We did custom matte black painted emblems. We took the metal Ford Performance emblems and painted them matte black, as well as ceramic coated all the trim, all the wheels, all the windows, and Icon Rockleared everything that did not get matte black or PPF. The entire vehicle is now not only protected, but it's also enhanced, and I cannot wait to show you around. Come take a peek. So, starting off on the satin black / matte black, we have pieces of vinyl going on the entire roof. The roof is on a Bronco is very difficult. We did all the pieces, they all come apart. We also did these pieces in matte black to basically make it a two-tone look, but we kept the front A-pillar and partial roof all Icon Rockleared. So very important to the client that we left this gray, and I think it really, makes a nice touch of a little accent while also keeping the top half black. Moving on from that, we did clear PPF on both of the doors and the door sills underneath, just so that way when the client gets in the vehicle, they're not going to mess up the paint in the door sill. So we laid 8 mil thick PPF on the door sills. We tinted the windows to match the back. We tinted the front two windows for the client, and then we did Icon Rocklear on everything else. Of course, custom badging, but Icon Rocklear on all the rest of the paint, and our showroom package. So trim, wheels, windows, all got ceramic coated, and this puppy is sharp. So Icon Rocklear is our 15-year warranted coating to protect the finish from up to 30% of rock chips, dings, scratches, scrapes, and also make it super, super glossy, super, super slick, super, super shiny, and the vehicle is protected for 15 full years. Of course, it can still get chips and swirls, but up to 30% of protection, better than nothing. We did the trim, wheels, and windows in our Fireball ceramic coating lineup to help protect them from the elements, tar, tree sap, acidic rain, harmful UV rays, paint overspray, and of course easier to clean on the rims, all that brake dust. They're super easy to clean and maintain. All the black plastics are not going to fade nearly as quickly, and those are warranted for 2 years. And then we did our window coating as well to protect the windows on the exterior. Be very, very, very easy to clean and maintain. The water just rolls right off. They don't even get as dirty nearly as quickly. And then we did our Fireball FX88 ceramic coating on all the interior pieces. I don't know if you want to peek in here, but there are some interior pieces in the back. Very difficult to see in here, but there are some pieces in the back that are painted, and we put our Fireball FX88 ceramic coating on all those pieces as well. So that was done to protect the finish and make them very easy to clean and maintain when time goes on. Not in the next few weeks, in the next few months, but in the next few years, they're gonna stay looking exactly like that because there are painted pieces inside of the interior. So after our Icon and all of our black to make the two-toned look, we also did some badging upgrades. We did this Bronco in satin black. Shout out to Highland Body Shop for painting those for us. And this vehicle is ready to go roof to road. So just wanted to do a quick vehicle showcase for you. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Be more than happy to have you come by for a consultation. Reach out, be more than happy to give you a tour of the shop, show you around, shake your hand, and go through the entire process of what we can do for your vehicle. You can give me a call at 219 909-533-8783. If you want your vehicle to look as good as this, the shine is impeccable. Give me a call, 219-533-8783, or visit me on my website, www.attn2detail.info. Or send us an email, service, SERVICE, at attn2detail.info. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy this 25 Bronco Highlight. And this one came out sick. I cannot wait for the next Bronco. It's right here. Have a great rest of your day. Aaron with A2D out.